In this video, I will show you how you can add dual clock on the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just go to the lock screen of your Samsung phone. Now just tap and hold on the empty space on your lock screen. Now it might ask you to enter the password of the lock screen. Now after you do that, you will enter into the edit section. Now just tap on the lock screen clock, then tap on style. Now in the style section, just swipe to the left side and select this clock style. As you can see, this is the dual clock style. Now after you select it, you will add the clock to the lock screen. As you can see, currently it is only on one location, but do not worry. After you select the dual clock style, then just tap on anywhere on the screen and you will find the option for add city. Just tap on add city, and from here just add the location of your other clock. For example, I will select this region. Now after you select your preferred region, then tap on add, just tap on done. As you can see, this is how you can create a dual clock on the lock screen of your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.